I can teach pretty much anybody how to center clay on the wheel in one singular session, and I've taught hundreds of people online how to do it too. But a comment I get all the time is, how do I center larger amounts of clay? Once people get comfortable with 1 to 2 pounds of clay, they struggle when they hit around 5 pounds. So today I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. And that's a little over 5 pounds. The first thing I'm gonna do is actually take my time wedging this clay. When I'm working with 1 to 2 pounds of clay, honestly, I don't wedge it very much because just centering it itself, I can compress all of the clay with both of my hands. But when you're working with this amount of clay, it's easy for air bubbles to get trapped, and it also makes the clay a little softer and easier to work with, which is really important for throwing bigger pieces. People who you see throwing massive planters or just really big pieces typically use reclaim because it's softer in general, so wedging helps you get a little closer to that. All right, now let's head over to the wheel. Also a moment for my travel tumbler. I just launched these on my website like 2 days ago. So good. Okay, ready? First, we're gonna start as usual and smack it in the center, but then we're gonna take some time to really hit it while moving the wheel slowly. This just kind of moves it all to the center. A little bit. I'm gonna start by centering the top, just like I would a regular 1 or 2 pound piece of clay, just like this, just where I can reach. So my elbows are locked in. My left hand is pushing in with the heel of my hand. Remember, not this part of your hand. If you're pushing with this part of your hand, you are going to separate the clay like that. So you want to be pushing in with the heel of your hand like this. And then I'm karate chopping on top. The back of my palms here, they're together. That's so, so, so important. I'm pushing equal pressures into both of my hands and just trying to hold the clay still. Once I've done that, I'm going to add a little bit more water. I'm going to keep my right hand in the same place, but I'm going to shift my left hand down a little bit and start pushing into that bottom part like that. And get it close to center. And now I'm going to move down again with my left hand, push in, and come up a little bit. And I'll do that with the bottom section as well. So I'm just anchored into my leg and pushing in and then pulling up. Like this. Now, if you want to cone up and down, that can also help you get all this clay closer to the center. And this clay is a lot easier to move because we took the time to wedge it a bit at the beginning. I think why most people struggle to center big amounts of clay is because they're trying to do it all at once. And this is a lot of clay to move when you're trying to move it all at one time and it's all wonky. So the key is really separating it into sections. Now that it's all very close to center, that's when I start kind of treating it as one unit and work with it all together. So I'm pushing still with this part of my hand, but I'm kind of sideways so that I can still be connecting to my left hand. And then I'm trying to spread the heel of my left hand all along, and then I'm also using my fingers to push in as well. And then I'm really tucked in until it's not really moving anymore. And that, my friends, is how you center 5 pounds of clay on the pottery wheel. If you found this video helpful, it means so much to me when you like and subscribe to this channel because it is brand new, so it really does help the algorithm. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments because I love making content like this and I would love to help you on your pottery journey. Okay, bye.